Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and I've had a few people actually ask me the question, and I do have an answer. I had a few people through the weekend that actually asked me. They were streaming videos like on Netflix or YouTube and so on, and were asking me, is it me or the quality isn't top shape like it used to be? And it's possible that some of you might see a difference because, yes, with what's happening around the world right now, there's a lot more people at home. And what happens is this actually puts a stress on the internet. And there's a lot more activity on the internet daily than there was before. A lot more people are on the internet and are streaming. So some services, it seems to affect mostly Europe, and pretty much everybody that sent me a message told me where you were. You guys were in Europe, but I'm not surprised that it would happen here in North America also, for depending on what company you might be on the internet with. So what happens is the fact that the services like Netflix, YouTube, Google announced that YouTube was also like taking down the bit rate a little bit. It should still be good quality, but you might, in some instances, you might notice a difference. So basically what they're doing is that they're lowering the bandwidth or the bit rate of their videos to relieve a little bit of the stress on the internet for some services. Like I said, most of the services that I've seen that are affected are in Europe, but anywhere in the world this could happen actually. A lot more people at home now, and a lot more people have time to watch Netflix or any other services. So that is the interesting part of it, is that, this could happen anywhere. So a lot more people on the internet right now, and that does actually, it's kind of interesting. There's always been a pattern of, specific times when there's more people and specific times during the day when it's quieter. And it's interesting to see that now it's kind of all day long that the internet is pretty much used a lot. And you're at home, you can't go out. Well, what are you going to do? You're going to watch, videos, and you're going to watch stuff on the internet, and you're going to spend the day there. So, yep, it's possible that you have a less quality on some of the streaming services due to what's happening right now around the world. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.